That's what the vibes are. I love you, Robin! Oh my god.
To make a decision like that. This little bird is no less capable than her brother.
All's well. Right.
Oh my
But
god.
have you forgotten someone, my gray-haired friend?
Oh my god.
I put a bomb on this
There's the
ship.
theme.
You have 10 minutes to find it.
Da, 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 da.
When did this get shoved into my hands?
Sparkle shows up and goes, I put a bomb in the ship. Good luck.
That when that moment arrives for us to make a choice, the answer to our end will already be within our hearts.
They better not let her say all of this stuff and then still kill her.
It is not destiny that shapes us, but we who shape destiny. The Astral Express and the
Okay,
Stellar
man.
Hunters are like light and shadow. We walk on different paths, intertwined, moving forward and growing together. Maybe the end is predestined,
If I know.
but it is not today.
Since things are going too well, let's speed up the countdown.
Oh shit.
Human life is short, just like fireflies to a flame. So if you have an answer in your heart, always remember, don't leave with any regrets. We have this right, don't we?
Did it just blow or did she get through? Did it blow? Oh, you bitch.
So much about other people's safety. Why don't you go take a closer look?
Don't get in my face.
You see, everything is possible in this land of dreams. We each came here with our own goals and realized them in unimaginable ways. Regardless if the result was a sweet illusion or a bitter reality. It was an answer we longed for, day and night. So, why do people choose to slumber? I think it's as you said. Because in the end, we will wake up from our dreams.
Oh my god, we got more. It's not over yet.